The animals and wildlife. That's why we go to the zoo. But on this day, Zoo Director John Dolan reminded everyone the true mission of the Fresno Chaffee Zoo.
What we're here for is to build community.
That community extends to the schools and all kids.
Today we have about 2,000 students from all across Fresno County schools with moderate to severe disabilities.
This is the second year the Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools has held Kids Day at the zoo, a day where having a disability doesn't matter.
Everyone today brought a student with special needs to the zoo. So if they have unique needs that are demonstrated today, it's a safe place. No judgment zone today.
Booths and play areas were set up around the zoo grounds, providing activities for kids, their parents, and teachers. Israel Silva knew what he wanted his son to experience.
Socialization. Meeting new sensations and new experiences at the Chaffee Zoo, and other kids like him that are autistic get experience.
Getting his face painted with his favorite comic book character, well, the look on his face said it all.
You saw how happy he was right now getting his Spider-Man thing. Yeah, stuff like that makes him happy.
The theme was Sensory Safari, and there were areas designed to let students experience all the senses and to learn. This STEM station was a good example.
We're having the kids play with different shapes, and it really helps the students with their spatial reasoning. And just like the hand-eye coordination.
And the mother of 3-year-old Gianna thought this was the perfect activity for her.
She likes to ask questions, so it's a very good day here to be one-on-one with the parent, with my daughter.
Kids Day is a long tradition for the Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools, 20 years running. And having the event at the zoo is something special.
That's perfect. These kids deserve that. And they deserve more. So if it could be days like this more than just once a year, it'd be great.
For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.